Just coming back. Hey, this is the beginning of the video, but the end of the sesh. This is the drive home crawler session part of the road. It's been under construction for a while, and it is, you really do have to plan your line getting through here. So that's what's happening. Had a great session. Rocked out the 3D printed Scout from RC3D Fab Factory, prototype number 001. And it was a blast. I ran it the other day on a shakedown. This time I had a different 10.3 chassis under it that had a Hobby Wing 1800 reef servo in it, but same 10.3. I ran the Pro-Line tires that they came out with not too long ago that they were kind of marketing alongside the pre-runner kit release. Anyway, good tires. I think they may be hard to find, but they're like 4.5, and they were on my Trio rims on this one. Brushless 1800 and the reef servo. It felt like a different truck, but it looked just as good as it did on the shakedown. I'm really happy with the Scout. But Kelly had his Vertex 6 out with a different IJ body he has, the yellow one, and Kirk has an IJ on his SEX 6 Hi-Ho Silver. So had a blast. I mean, this is what I came. This is what I came in. Yep. That's not as bad as it looks it's gonna be. Yeah. Scout will make that. He's cool. Yes, listen. I didn't know International made a boat. They do, and it's dope. This is the RC3D Fab Factory boat. This is that 10.3. Ship right. It's so much. We do some stuff, yo. This would be a good place to one misstep. I mean, this is what we're going through, y'all. Once we get back up this hill, I called it Little Red once.
That's a dirty hog.
That is a filthy IJ. On a Vertex 6.
That says,
with my
man,
mounting
am I
brackets.
having a good time.
If anybody ever wonders if these things can take it, I mean, it's amazing to me.
It's obvious.
Isn't it crazy?
And you got the big dogs, and I'm with a 10 scale Axial. Like,
that little 10 scale's doing better than either one.
no.
Oh yeah.
But it's
Well, it's doing really good.
I wouldn't even say keeping up, but it's holding its own, right? And still one piece. I've submarined this joint, dude.
Yeah.
It's a red submarine today.
Are we going back the same way?
I would.
Of course, you would. Oh, yeah, it. Coming at it, brother.
I don't usually go wide shot, but this is gnarly. That's what they just did. This is gnarly.
Alrighty.
All right, can I do it?
Scouty McTout-tout. You know, the only way I can see the scout in the viewfinder is by the weeds moving.
Woo! You're gonna have to help there. Maybe. Wait. Yeah, help it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's floating. Come on.
I think I went up and around last time. I'll stay down since we're filming it. Oh, I need him again. I'm not surprised. I got crappy tires for what this is.
Scout.
I wanted that struggle.
Ryan, where can somebody get one of these?
Oh, a scout like this?
Yeah.
We're making them. This one's actually going to be.
I know we're making one. I'm leaving this up to you to see the PR out there, bro.
It's for sale. I'm going to just keep making them. I like them, so I'm going to always have one. I like making them. I like painting them. So if you like something like this, check out the link in the description to the Shopify RC3D Fab Factory.
That's it.
Yeah. We got a lot there going on.
And these are custom, and not everyone is the same.
That's exactly right. But we've got the methods in which they mount to the 10.3 chassis. And that's any 10.3 chassis. That's the new builder's kit, which has the same front and rear cross members as the Coyote does. They're easy to pick up if you want to adapt them to another 10.3, but basically we use the stock bumper mounts to make it work. And I can swap that body on 2 or 3 different 10.3s I have with like different power systems and servos in it. Today this has a Hobby Wing 1800 and a reef servo in it, Trio heavy kind of rims, and then those Proline BFG crawler TAs, I think. I don't know, it's the pre-runner tire. They're like 4.5 and some change on those heavy trios. Hobby Wing, reef servo. That rig is nice right now.
Let's go.
And the lights, because you're going to ask in the comments below, please do that, actually. It helps a lot if you like what we're putting out. I think it's fantastic. If you're into crawlers, this is pretty neat. And we're building a ton of them and running like RTRs too and making them better. It's a blast. Anyway, yeah, any 10.3 I have, that'll bolt right, that slaps right on.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. I like it. That's a nice rig. Why wouldn't you want to scout?
Right. And it's doing good out here.
It is.
I
Oh, good. I'm rolling still.
I wouldn't mind to have one that's actually salt patina, because I tried to do one yesterday afternoon late. Ryan is the salt patina guy, because I weighed in on him for some information, and I put the salt on after the paint, and put another coat of paint on, put a different base coat paint on. I don't know what I did wrong. He told me to use a brush and it went south, so I got a lot of work to do on that one to fix it.
The thing is, though, too, this is going to be odd here. Yeah, I don't need that. That's okay. The thing about the salt patina is I never get it right the first time either. I always do it twice before I like what I got. The first time, it's just kind of building up texture. You're knocking down lines. I don't like it. It actually usually looks pretty cool, but I can see the lines, so I do it again. You can't mess it up. I think you maybe just started after it while the paint wasn't quite, you don't have to let it dry all the way, but it needs to dry enough that it doesn't smear when you're trying to scrub the thick salt off. And then I'll kind of soak it. Hot water loosens the salt up quicker than cold, and then I'll scrub it, and then I'll start sanding it.
Scrubbing it with a brush.
Scrubbing it with like a nylon deck brush, a short bristled, hard, stiff thing.
That's what I used.
Yeah.
And mine, I'll show you guys in the video, sucks.
He says
It
his
sucks.
Hey, listen, he says his sucks. I say no, it doesn't, because he had to have learned a bunch doing it.
You know what it looks like?
You know how
it looks
many?
like an oatmeal cream pie destroyed it, bro. Little Debbie's. What
Is that a
makes
color
it.
choice or is that the patina?
Hey man, that was just me trying a couple different colors I had randomly available, and it turned out to be the oatmeal cream pie by Debbie.
And I'm into it. He says he doesn't like it. I'm into it.
She's gonna be called Debbie, man.
Little Debbie. The thing is, though, on the patina, you're not going to get it right the first time. It's okay. The only reason I can do it now is because I failed a million times before.
Well, if I got a million times yet to go, I got a long way to go, because little Debbie looks like garbage.
No.
Yeah.
No, my thing with those is they're never done until you like it. So you're just not done yet.
Yeah. I got a lot of seasoning to do on.
And the thing is, that's what I'm saying. Go hard on. Listen, you may not like it, so what's to keep you from going hard? Just knock it down. Consider it just a smoothing, leveling. You're going to sand the whole truck. Next time you paint it, it looks even better. Why I think my stuff looks good is because I screwed up the first time. And I get all that extra paint on there,
That's
bro.
what he says. But wait till you guys see little Debbie. Yeah, it is an oatmeal cream pie, bro.
You're not gonna get it the first time like that. I mean, I'm not trying to be funny, but it's okay.
He was gonna say he's not trying to be an ass.
No, my first one didn't look good either. It's in the video where it's all blue and orange.
This thing looks legit.
That's the second round to get it back. So the first round of salt chipping didn't give me what I wanted, so I just did it again. You can just do it again on your oatmeal cream pie as well. And you can too.
A little bit wicked.
Look at that little shit.
Dude, that little thing goes places right now today that ours don't. Look at that little guy go. Oh!
Come on.
it out, baby. Work it out. Woo.
Dude, that's under.
You think?
I think I'd have been okay without that stick, maybe.
Snap it.
That was under, yo.
Yeah.
Ready?
Get some inches on this thing.
I might as well stay here for you.
That's soft.
Go back.
I got it.
Go.
Man, it's like quicksand city. Woo-wee. Oh, sand's gonna get you, bro. What? Nice. Yeah. That's excellent. Gotta be putting in. Yeah.
Bro, that was nice.
That was crazy.
I'll get out of the way.
How was it, man?
That was slide, man. I was safe, buddy. That was easy.
Quick foot out, man. Killer patina job, Ryan.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. First guys new idea out here and just see it first. Muddy. Yeah. Sloppy. Snoopy. Nasty.
Crunchy.
Good slide anyway.
Hey, last time we were here, what was it like?
Dry sand everywhere.
Not
Dry
a
as a bone.
not a lick of fever, not a drip of water.
Not a drop.
It's completely different.
I'm gonna film you filming me.
I'm gonna film. I'm
Are
gonna
you
film
filming-
him.
Are you filming me?
No, not right now. I'm trying to figure out how I'm not going to get muddy again.
We're gonna try to figure out how to go across
So
this.
this is where we're at. So we got water now that we never had. Kelly's fashion forward as always.
Muck booties.
And this is what we got to do. We got to come across this, which is usually dry, and get under that situation, and then personally get ourselves over it. That's the challenge out in the woods.
Challenge. in
But
the woods.
it looks like there's a little more sand up that way.
Look at that.
Easy peasy.
Bro, that was really cool.
That was amazing.
Ooh,
Mosquitoes.
that's deep.
Right. Right now, I can't see.
Stay with that left. Stay with that left turn you got. Keep with it till I tell you go straight. You can straighten out a little.
Straight out.
Yeah, straight out, brother. Next to you.
we're just gonna do. I keep fucking. Well, we'll get it here in a minute.
I bet we find deeper water.
You know what? I'm just gonna go through deep and steep here, bro. I'm coming straight at you, Ryan.
Give me a sec. Yeah. Am I out of your way, crazy?
Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Oh,
I'd say we're a little deep. Would you say we're a little deep?
maybe. It might be fine, but there's something there you can't see, like a stick.
There's something there.
It's wet, dude.
like quicksand,
It sinks
you know?
fast, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Who said the birthday thing about? That's pretty deep there, huh?
Yeah. There we go.
It's stuck in that same vine, bro.